in the background, slimming MCs with dreadlocks. That party, told this girl come round, she's long tempered but her head top. Whoa, she goes hard till my head drops. It's all like when we connect. Got me started on the Playboy money from downstairs, upstairs, sounds like a pet shop. Guys with a hype on like 4K as I come yours, and I'll put you in the head clock. I've been around since got 4, so I should have tried hardcore. G3 with a red dot, haters get treated like a hoe. You can tell them something like kicking. Get locked, paparazzi wanna take pics when I'm out with my son. You can all get shot. This flows like Formula 1 cause I use a truck like DRS. Quickly juicing the PRS. She's so unique when I beat her chest. Bro, it's mad. You can tell Rihanna come see me, man. I'm the speed dialing that genie. JJ, them in the
Lamborghini, Lamborghini, bitch, I know you see me in my Lamborghini, Lamborghini, ride so quick, you would think of Houdini. Whoa, when my Lambo on the track, one fall back. When I'm riding at speed, get that neck crack. Blazing on the engine, everybody looking back. Like I'm shooting cause I died, got them going further. Make the fucking doors, I said make it look like a fucking eagle, like I'm starting one thing. Painting with my streets on legal, speeds ain't even legal. Scaring people, we ain't equal. Danny Glover ain't got shit on my motherfucking lethal weapon. I'm getting excited when the night arrives. No rehab, I come alive like a 5 alive. On the drive, 21 years, smashing up the scene. And I keep on winning like I'm Mr. Charlie Sheen. Lamborghini, Lamborghini, bitch, I know you see